Hey guys, look what my wife got me for Christmas. The Game Master's Guide to Fantasy Mapmaking. Now, I saw a free copy of this laying around at my local gaming store. And how would you like to be able to make maps like this? I am not an artist. Well, that's not true. I am an artist. But like, I'm more of a writer. That was my training. And then my wife and I had a pottery studio. But I really need to learn how to draw. If you're like me and you never learned how to draw, this is like intense. I actually may do a series of videos about this drawing of this book. And I want to get Mr. Cody King, who wrote this, Cody James King, to do a podcast with me about what he does. Because he does a lot of Dungeons and Dragons stuff. And here, all you need, pens, paper, eraser, pencils. So like here, if you've never drawn like a mountain before, it's like, okay, we're gonna draw mountains. Mountains equal pyramids? See, like there's always like a concept, right? So you draw a pyramid, which is pretty basic, and then you draw squiggly lines, and then you do like dots, and then maybe you do a little shading or something like that. Cliffs. Start out by drawing a diagonal line, and then make that wavy, and then drop some verticals, and then add little details. Canyons, 2 parallel diagonal lines, etc., etc. So this book is worth every penny to me. It just like fires my imagination, and I'm going to use it to teach my Dungeons and Dragons classes. And if you want to see more videos about what I teach, just subscribe to the channel. We're over 15,000 now. I appreciate all of you, and I hope you have a great day, happy holidays, and I'll see you on the next one. Leave me a comment. And if Cody, if you see this video, I want to interview you, so give me a call. Thanks.